Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. So, my name is Rakesh and I create English related video. So, my friend, today in this video, I'm going to share how did I start practicing English. Okay, in this small video, I will not drag long video. Okay, in this only just like a 10 minutes video, I will share how did I start practicing English. Okay, so I was working in public work department in Chandigarh. Okay. So actually I had an accident from bike. Okay. So I had some injury in my back. Okay. Then I had to come to home. Okay. I had to come to home. Then I started taking medicine. Okay. I started taking treatment. Okay. So, but in allopathic, they actually doctor actually were prescribed allopathic medicine, so many allopathic medicine, and I didn't like that medicine. Then after 6 months I was at home. Okay, and after 6 months I left all allopathic medicine and started ayurvedic treatment. Okay, so I started taking ayurvedic treatment like panchakarma and medicine, ayurvedic medicine. Okay, so when I started Ayurvedic medicine, okay, so it actually took much time because as all you know that Ayurvedic treatment actually take much time, okay. And I was also very much concerned about my job, okay, that I should join my job, okay, and my boss, my superintendent, they were consistently calling me, when would you come, okay, and when would you join the job. But I was actually, completely hopeless, okay, helpless and hopeless, okay, because I had a serious injury in my back, okay. So thought it's okay, no problem. What I'm going through, that is okay, and I accepted it. Okay, that it's okay, but first, health is wealth. So first, I would improve myself. I would I would well, I would recover properly. Then I would join. Okay, so pass the time. Okay, 1 year, 2 year, but actually I couldn't go to join the job. Okay, then I thought, staying at home, why shouldn't I start something like new? Because I really wanted to learn English. So I started watching video, English video. Okay, then in YouTube, okay, and some others. Okay, so I started first. My first step was I started watching YouTube video. Okay, so when I started watching YouTube video, so the thing is that I I couldn't understand what they were saying. Okay, like in video, what they were saying, because native speakers always speak very fast. Okay, so like a simple sentence, like a simple present, like a native speaker who actually use tense, I could understand. But when they use like active voice, causative verb, adverb, some kind of things, I actually was not able to understand properly. Then I thought I should improve my grammar. Then the main practice, English practice, started from that point. So I I bought a notebook, like this thick notebook. First I bought a notebook, okay. Then I found a YouTube channel. I can't name that channel, okay, but I found that YouTube channel, and I really appreciate and really liked that the way he was teaching English. So he was teaching English like a situational way, practical way. So I found, and then I started learning grammar. So I started learning grammar from first, like beginning articles, okay, A B C D, okay, and then article, okay. After that, all verb, preposition, Okay, then noun, pronoun, adverb, all like from the basic I started learning from YouTube, and I started making note. Okay, I wrote down everything. Okay, then I reached tense. Then I reached on the tense. Okay, then I learned tense. I actually make note. I made a note. Okay, and another thing is that I when I reached at that point of tense, then I started practicing Hindi to English sentence. So I wrote down Hindi sentence, then I actually translate them into English and wrote down on my notebook. So like this, I learned all tense properly. I learned all tense. Okay. Then actually turn on active voice and passive voice. Okay. Then I learned active voice and passive voice. Okay. So in active voice and passive voice, same method I used. Like I first of all I learned active voice, how we can uh, translate, how we can convert active sentence to passive sentence, and how we can speak directly passive sentence. So first I learned it, then I wrote down everything and I started translate Hindi to English sentence and wrote down them. Okay, so then active voice and passive voice I learned. Okay, then next, causative verb. Actually, honestly, I want to share one thing. I didn't know about the causative verb. I know about present tense and active voice, passive voice. Okay, but I didn't know about the causative verb and conditional sentence. Like in school, when I was in 8th, ninth, and 10th class, there was a madam. Okay, uh, she actually taught us uh, from the book. Okay, so what was in the book, she just she actually made some student stand and read out. Okay, so her way to teach English was not good. Okay, that was not proper, that was just book things. Okay, so that's why I didn't know about the causative verb and conditional sentence. So then I started learning causative verb. So causative verb, wow. When I started learning, so I thought it's an amazing things, causative verb. Like जब हम किसी से काम करवाते हैं, okay, like one sentence कि मैं कल पेंट अपने घर को पेंट करवाऊंगा, that is passive voice. Okay, causative verb. Okay, but causative verb in passive voice. Okay, active में क्या है ये, मैं किसी पेंटर का नाम, मैं पेंटर से घर पेंट करवाऊंगा, so that is active. Okay, like I will make painter paint the house. Okay, and then passive में क्या होता है कि इसमें हम जो जिससे हम काम करवाते हैं, okay, like जो काम करता है doer, actually we do not show them. Okay, we do not show him. So I can say I will make I will get my home, my house painted. अब बाई लगा के पैसिव में बाई लगा के फ्रॉम द पेंटर, ये बाई द पेंटर. ओके, इतने ब्यूटीफुल, सो मच ब्यूटीफुल एंड बहुत ही शानदार कॉस्टिव वर्ब. ओके, सो आई लर्न अबाउट दैट कॉस्टिव वर्ब, मेक, get, have, had. Okay, then next I studied about conditional sentence. So three types of conditional sentence. Okay, zero condition, one condition, second condition, third condition. Okay, so I learned about the conditional sentence. It was also very nice topic, conditional sentence. Okay, because conditional sentence we actually use in speaking conditional sentence also. Okay, like a zero condition, second condition, third condition. Okay, so first condition. Okay, so when I learned all these things, then I started practicing over the call with someone. Okay, so we can say I downloaded, because I came through one application when I was scrolling my YouTube channel in Facebook. So I came through one application, that is Joestock. So I downloaded that Joestock and I took subscription for 1 year, 300 rupees subscription. Then I started talking with random person over the call, 10 minutes. First, I want to I want to share, like when I started talking with someone over the call on Joe Stock application, I was very afraid. Very afraid. Means how can I start? How can I start? And what can I say? What kind of question should I ask? Okay, how can I reply? I was very afraid. But I thought, if I would be afraid, then I couldn't learn English. I couldn't speak English. So I have to take step and start talking. No matter about mistake. Mistake happens in language. So motivational video also, I watched some motivational video. So the motivation video, they always say mistakes happens in starting, okay, in language. Even native speaker also make mistake, okay. So I got motivated, okay. Then I started, like first I start from 2 minutes, then increase the time 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Even on the Joe Stock application, I talked with a person like 1 hours, half hour. So it actually helped me a lot, okay. So I actually, yeah, I had been practicing on Joe Stock for 1 year, okay. Then I thought, now I will start practicing in front of mirror and in front of camera. So I started making blog, okay, and I also started YouTube channel, okay. Because in first, when I thought, if I'm not perfect, not 100%, but even 90%, then there is no meaning to start YouTube channel. Because what I am, if I'm teaching someone, so I should be perfect, like 95%. Then I will be able to teach someone. So I start my YouTube channel, and I now continuously, from that period when I started speaking English until I practice, I have been practicing continuously. Okay. So that was my journey. So the same thing you can also do if you really want to speak English. But don't think that it's just like a 6 month game. It's not a 6 month game. It's 1 year's game, and you have to practice continuously until you will be perfect. Okay. So I hope you understood everything and you got some point. You grabbed some point. Okay. And you can also start speaking, practicing English at home. Okay. Because I whatever what whatever I learned, I just learned at home. Okay. I didn't join any offline classes. I just learned from this mobile that I'm filming with. Okay. So I hope you understand, and please like, share, and subscribe my video, and share also. So support for your sport. If you support, then I will grow my channel and I will grow. If you really want to speak and want to have a conversation with me, then you can message me. We can have a conversation like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, there's no problem. I will give time to those, to the beginner, to those who really want to, who really see serious to learn English. So thank you very much. Stay healthy and keep practicing.